So hey guys, I'm back, and I know I've been gone for a while. I was having recording device issue problems, so it wasn't easy for me to upload and record videos because right now I am using my phone. It's an iPhone. The quality isn't that bad, but it's good enough for me to use until I get my real camera. And I received something in the mail today that I ordered online, which is Hicks edge control. It came today in a packaging like this. The USPS first class packaging. It has the bubble wrap inside, and it also came wrapped neatly in this thing. And this is it, the Hicks edge control. And I saw videos of this online, and I saw that it does hold natural hair edges. I've been having problems finding edge control that will hold on my edges because I am like semi-natural. So yeah, it is somewhat hard. And I started off using olive oil edge control. That didn't work out for me, and I went ahead and purchased this Creme of Nature Argan oil edge control, and this doesn't work at all for my hair. Like, it holds my edges down for like a minute, and then it starts to rise up again, and I didn't want to deal with that. So I went ahead and purchased Hicks edge control on eBay for $13.95, and it had free shipping. I ordered this on Thursday and I got it today, which is Monday. So overall, very fast shipment. The seller was really nice. They sent me a little message, thanking me for purchasing from them and all that kind of good stuff. And in this video, I'm going to test out both edge controls, and I'm going to see if Hicks edge control really does hold down my edges. It's a brand new packaging. It's 4 ounces, and this is what comes on top of the edge control, and it has a really great smell. I don't know like what kind of smell it is, but it's like really fruity. I don't know, to me it just smells really nice, and it's like a clear substance. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this out first. Let me focus back. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and put the Hicks on my right side of my edges and apply the Argan oil edge control on my left side, and we're going to see which one actually does hold down my edges. So stay tuned for the results. Okay, so I applied both edge controls to each side of my head, and please excuse how my hair looks right now. Like I said, I am like so natural, and this is a halfway in my head, so it was kind of hard blending it in. So yeah, it doesn't look all that appealing, but we're just focusing on the edge controls. So yes, like I said, on the left side of my head, I'm wearing the Hicks edge control. I'm sorry, the right side. And on the left side, I have in the Argan oil. This is how the right side of my hair looks using the Hicks edge control. My edges are laying down. Okay, and this is, as you can see, why I stopped applying it. And it does somewhat leave a white residue at the end right here. That's about it. Still laying, and I have it applied all the way until the middle of my forehead. And coming to this side is the Argan oil edge control, the left side. So to me, from what I'm seeing now, they both look quite the same. So yeah, I'm not really seeing much of a difference, but surprisingly and really strangely, to me it looks like the Argan oil edge control has much of a neater hold and a stronger hold compared to the Hicks edge control. So yeah, I've had both edge controls in for probably about 5 minutes or so, and I have not seen any changes yet. So So yeah, and so far I feel as though the Argan oil for some reason is beating the Hicks edge control right now, because like I said, it does have a firm hold right now. The Hicks is somewhat not holding on as strong, but mind you, my hair is not really clean right now. I'm washing my hair on Wednesday, so yeah, that could result in why the Hicks isn't working as well as it should be, but hey, who knows. But you know, this is my first time using it. I'm not gonna be quick to judge how well this edge control holds. Like I said, I've been using this for quite a while now. As you can see from all the hand dips, it's like probably at the bottom already. This doesn't really, you know, work on my edges, but for some reason it looks like it's doing quite a good job on this side of my head. So this, I'm going to go ahead and continue using it. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside and replace it with the Hicks edge control, and I'm going to go ahead and use it and update you guys on, you know, how's it holding up and how does it work on my edges. If you guys do have any questions about this edge control, you can go ahead and leave a comment below and I will get back to you. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.